Hello and welcome to Capture the Flag series for beginners. In this video, we will quickly take on two challenges from page 2 of Pico CTF. Let's get started. Now it's time to take our first challenge from page 2. It's Crackme-py and category is reverse engineering. It is for 30 points. Let's copy the link address and open the web shell. Now quickly log into the web shell. Time to download the copied link using get command. Now here what attracts me the most is ROT47 decode and Bezos CC secright. Copy the secret code and search for ROT47 and convert this text into ROT47 to decode. And here we are, we got the flag. Copy this flag and paste it in our challenge. Time to submit the flag and use code 30 points. Let's switch over to our next challenge. Our next challenge from page 2 of Pico CTF is wireshark doo-doo. Category is forensics and this is for 50 points. Copy the link and download the same with the get command. This time I am using Kali Linux terminal to solve this challenge. In this whole series of Capture the Flag for beginners, I tried to solve the challenges in the easiest possible way.